Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. Appealing 3-bedroom brick home on a corner lot. Located on a neighborhood street, with a double lot and an attached 2-car garage. Downstairs, the kitchen has some stainless steel appliances, a formal dining room, and a first-floor laundry with extra storage cupboards. The living room is spacious with a fireplace accented with brick and masonry. The fireplace is not currently in use, and the cellar makes no warranties. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom, also the walk-up attic entry. The attached 2-car garage also has a storage area above it and a half bath. There is a back patio with an awning. Jamestown Awning has the new awning that goes on the back patio that they put up in May and take it down in October. The bill for that is